A very good morning to everyone. Here is Kaushalya Rajpurohit, your English teacher, and today we are going to discuss writing section and the topic for today is speech writing. Speech writing. Speech writing is the art of conveying message to the audience through words. Speech writing isn't much different than essay writing. You need to understand your speech purpose, the required length and the time limit and do the audience analysis, right? So speech writing is an art to convey the message to the audience through words. You have to be precise, clear, right? Whenever you are delivering a speech in order to convey your message properly to the audience. What is the format of speech writing? In order to write a proper and effective speech, you need to follow this format. Introduction. Now, the speech writing starts with an introduction. Greet the audience, tell them about yourself, and further introduce the topic, right? So, always start a speech with greetings, right? And then please introduce yourself to the audience and then discuss or introduce the topic. Now, next comes the body of the speech writing. Present the topic in an elaborate way, explaining its key features, pros and cons, if any, and the like, right? So, the next come the body of the speech writing where you will be elaborating the topic, right? You can use the topic like advantages and disadvantages, or you can say causes, or you can use the method of cause and effect, or you can also explain the topic in detail. And the last part is conclusion. Summary of your speech. Wrap up the topic and leave your audience with compelling reminder to think about, right? So you should be concluding your speech in such a way that it should be compelling the audience to think of what you said, right? It should have an effect on your audience. Introduction. After the greetings, the introduction is essential to assure your listener that you have something productive to say. The introduction must effectively include a brief preview of your topic, define the outline of your speech. For example, I will be talking about first, second, or third, right? Begin with a story, a quote, fact, joke, or an observation in the room. It shouldn't be longer than 3 4 lines, right? So in order to grab the audience attention, you should be trying to use a story, a quote, or a fact, right? For example, Mahatma Gandhi said once, or this topic reminds me of an incident or a story, or you can use a quote or a proverb like where there is a will there is a way, right? In order to grab attention of your audience. Body. The body consists of all the main points your speech is about. Prepare a flowchart of the detail in a systematic way. For example, if your speech is about the waste material, distribute the information and arrange it according to the subparagraph for your reference. It could, con- it could include what is waste management, major techniques used to manage waste, advantages of waste management, importance of waste management, right? So you should be writing your speech, the body of your speech, right, in a systematic way, right? So that you can take every detail of your topic. Conclusion. The conclusion should be something that the audience takes with them. It could be a reminder, a collective call to action, a summary of your speech, or a story. For example, it is upon us to choose the faith of our home, the earth by choosing to begin waste management at our personal spaces, right? So this can be a conclusion for the topic waste management. And after concluding, add few lines of gratitude to the audience for their time. For example, thank you for being a wonderful audience and lending me your time. Hope this speech gave you something to take away, right? So your conclusion also have a proper impact on your audience. Okay, so to summarize, a speech writing should contain, first of all, you have to introduce yourself, then make a great opening statement using a proverb, a story, or a fact. Then structure of your speech, right? Your speech should be proper in proper structure. Begin every paragraph with a topic sentence. Use a very good English. Express your opinion. Write from the first person and engage your audience, right? Use personal details and anecdotes, right? So this is how you can write the speech. I hope you have understood the topic.